Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Dhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma. It is class 8 maths, and our chapter is cube and cube root. Okay. In the previous chapter, we have learned about square and square root now, and how to find square and square root of any number. Now it's time to learn what is cube. Okay, now we are going to learn about cube and cube root. We have seen that square of all number are positive. However, cube of positive number are positive and cube of negative number are negative. Okay, in cube, when a number is multiplied 3 times by itself, then we can say that we get the cube of that number. Okay, when a number is multiplied by 3 times by itself, it's called a cube of that number. And here Hardy-Ramanujan number. What is Hardy-Ramanujan number? See, this cube and cube root and this cube and cube root is by famous professor, that is G.H. Hardy. Come to visit him in taxi, whose number was 7729. While taking to Ramanujan, Hardy described this number a dull number. Ramanujan quickly pointed out that 1729 was indeed interesting. He said it is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. Okay, so 1729 is the smallest Hardy-Ramanujan number. There are an infinitely many such number. Few are, उसमें से कुछ हैं 4104, okay, then 2, 16, 9, 15, 1. आप इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 का स्क्वायर 16 का स्क्वायर और 9 स्क्वायर 15 स्क्वायर. Okay, so you can get 4104. Okay, sum of the two square number. Oh, sorry, cube. 2 cube and 16 cube, 9 cube and 15 cube. Okay, understand? Now 13832. We have write it 18 cube and plus 20 cube and 24 cube plus 2 cube. That is called Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, remember it. How did Ramanujan know this? Well, he loved number all through his life. He experiment with number. He probably found number that were expressed as the sum of two square and sum of two cubes also. Okay, understand? So 1729 has since known as a Hardy-Ramanujan number. It is the smallest Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, और उसने कब इसकी when it was invented 300 years before Ramanujan. Okay, 1729 was known more than 300 before Ramanujan. Okay, understand? There are many other interesting pattern of cube. Let us learn about cube root and many other interesting facts related to them. Okay, before we learn the cube and cube root of any number, you have to know what is cube. Okay, when a number is multiplied by 3 times by itself, we get a cube of that number. Okay, understand? And you know, this is your cube. This figure is called cube. Okay, now if we talk about a cube, then we know that what is perfect cube and what is cube number. When a number is multiplied by itself 3 times multiplied by itself, then we can say that it's a cube of a number. Okay, some cubes are here. See, 1 into 1 into 1. When we multiply 1, we get 1, or we can write 1 cube is equal to 1. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube, and we can write it 8. Okay, now you can write it 27 because 3 into 3 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so you have to multiply these number. आपको 10 के क्यूब तक के नंबर आपको पता होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ 11 क्यूब. व्हाट इज 11 क्यूब? 11 क्यूब इज 1331. 12 क्यूब इज 1728. नाउ सी हियर the numbers 729, 1000, 1728 are also perfect cube number. Okay, so where we cube the number, see here we are even, so cube are even. When the number are odd, then cube are odd. Okay, then if the number are odd, so the cube are odd. Okay, see here the pattern. आप जब भी किसी नंबर्स के क्यूब को करेंगे तो आप उस पैटर्न को देख सकते हैं. ध्यान से देखिए उस पैटर्न को. जब आप किसी नंबर का क्यूब करते हैं तो आपको दिखता है कि अगर वो नंबर इवन है तो उसका क्यूब भी कैसा रहेगा? इवन रहेगा. अगर वो नंबर ऑड है तो उसका क्यूब कैसा रहेगा? ऑड रहेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो now let's see some interesting property of cube of any number. Okay, now we know that what is perfect square, so here we are getting perfect cube. What is perfect cube or a cubic number? Is the number obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times. Okay, so 1331 is a perfect cube number. 1728 is a perfect cube number. Okay, understand? So how we get a perfect cube number? What is pattern to getting a perfect a cube number? Adding consecutive odd number. Okay, हमने वहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही किया था. हम 1 ऐड करते थे तो 1 मिलता था. 2 ऐड करते थे, 2 consecutive odd number ऐड करते थे तो we can get a 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay, but here some pattern is different. 1 then 1 cube. 3 plus 5. 1 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 3. Then only we have to add 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then we get 2 cube. Now 5 वाले नंबर तक छोड़ देना है. Then again 3 numbers 7, 9 and 11. Okay, 7 plus 9 plus 11 we get 27. That is cube of 3. Okay, now 11 तक तो हो गया. Then you can get 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. You can get 4 consecutive odd number. Then you have to get 4 cube. Okay, that is 64. Okay, understand? So before we learn about more about it, first of all you have to see this table. Okay, 1 cube is 1. हम यहाँ 1 से 20 तक के क्यूब भी लिख लेते हैं. We write see the pattern of cubes. Okay, when we cube any odd number we have get odd number. When we cube any even number we get even number. Okay, and now see the pattern. For number with unit digit 1, their cube will be also have the unit digit as 1. Okay, 1 cube is 1, 11 cube is 111331. Okay, now if we cube of 21, then we can get 9261. 31 cube is 929791. Okay, Similarly, the cube of number with 4, 5, 6 and 9 or 0 as unit digit will have the same unit digit place. See here, if we cube 4, then we can get 4 as a unit place. Okay, 5, then we can get 5 as a unit place. 6, then we can get 6 as a unit place. 9, then we can get 9 as a unit place, and 0, then we get 0 as its unit place. Okay, now you can remember this property also. Okay, now the cube of a number with unit digit 2. अब यहाँ पर आप रिलेशन देखना है, जब आपका यूनिट डिजिट 2 को आप स्क्वायर करते क्यूब करते हो, यू कैन गेट 8 यूनिट प्लेस, एंड व्हेन यू क्यूब ऑफ यूनिट डिजिट 8 देन यू कैन गेट 2. ओके, सो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, कन्वर्स हो गया. सी हियर, द क्यूब ऑफ अ नंबर विथ यूनिट डिजिट 2 विल हैव unit digit 8 and the cube of a number with unit digit 8 will have unit digit 2. Okay, understand? Now see, the cube of the unit with unit digit 3 will have unit digit 7 and the cube of a number with unit digit 7 will have unit digit 3. Okay, so you can learn, आप इसको रिमेंबर रखने के लिए ये भी सोच सकते हैं 8 + 2 = 10 and 7 + 3 = 10 also. Okay, the cube of even number is even and the cube of odd number is odd. Okay, 1 and 8 are the only cube in one digit. अब here you can see one digit number आपको only 1 और 8 दिखेगा, मतलब perfect cube number one digit number में only 1 and 8 है. Okay, now two digit, here 27 and 64, only two numbers have perfect cube, only cube with 2 digit. Okay, now what about 3 digit? See here, 125, 216, 344, 512 and 729 are the only cube with 3 digit, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Only 5 number you can get 3 digit number when you cube the numbers. Okay, all the above are the respective cube of this digit from 1 to 9. Okay, the smallest 2 digit number is 10 and its cube is 1000, means it's 4 digit number, it's smallest 4 digit number. Okay, smallest 2 digit number का cube क्या हो रहा है, smallest 4 digit number आ रहा है. Okay, the cube of 10 to 31 have 4 digits. अब 10 से लेकर के 31 तक जब आप क्यूब करेंगे तो उसकी आपको कितने डिजिट्स मिलेंगी, 4 डिजिट. द क्यूब ऑफ 32 to 46 have 5 digit and they are between 10,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, the cube of 47 to 99 have 6 digit and they are between 1 lakh to 10 lakh. And the cube of 3 digit number can have 7 and 8, 7, 8 or 9 digit. Okay, understand? So remember it. Before you remember these things, first of all you have to write the cube of numbers. at least 30 तक के क्यूब आपको लिख करके रखने हैं अपनी कॉपी में. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट 30 क्यूब ऑफ 30 मीन्स 1 क्यूब 2 20 तक तो आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है बुक में ही. आपको 30 तक के क्यूब एटलीस्ट अपनी बुक में नोटबुक में लिख कर रखने हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड स्टूडेंट, I am seeing no one is acknowledge the videos. If you are not acknowledge the video, मैं आपको बार बार बोल रही हूँ आपकी absent जाएगी. So acknowledge the video. Whenever you see the video, please acknowledge the video. Okay, and with your name. अगर आपके नेम के साथ में acknowledgement मिलती है मुझे तो ही आपको उसमें उस दिन की presence मिलेगी, अदरवाइज आप absence माने जाएंगे. Okay, understand? Now these are main properties. What property we have learned? For number unit digit 1, their cube will be also have the unit digit 1. Okay, similarly the cube of the number with 4, 5, 6 or 9 or 0 as unit digit will have the same unit digit as the number. For example, 14 square is 2744, 25 square is 15625. Okay, 16 square is 4096. Okay, and so on. So you can get same digit. And the cube of a number with unit digit 2 will have unit digit 8, and the cube of the unit digit number unit with unit digit 8 will have the unit digit 2. Okay, understand? And the cube of the number with unit digit 3 will have unit digit 7, and the cube of a number with unit digit 7 will have unit digit 3. Okay, understand? Now the cube of an even number is even, and the cube of odd number is odd. And it is very interesting, there is only 2 1 digit number. अगर आप 1 और 8 देखेंगे तो only 2 1 digit number having perfect cube, 1 and 8 only. 27 and 64 only 2 digit number have perfect cube, and 125, 216, 343, 512 and 729 are the only cube with 3 digit number. Why I will told you so much? See, आपको पता होना चाहिए कितने 2 डिजिट नंबर में स्क्वायर हैं, क्यूब नंबर्स हैं. ओनली देयर आर 2 क्यूब परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर्स, 27 and 64. Okay, only 2 digit number, that is 2 only 2 digit number are there. Okay, for 3 digit number there are total 5 3 digit numbers which have perfect cube. Okay, understand? Now then we can get 4 digit number, 5 digit number and 6 digit number and so on. Okay, understand? Now let's see cube and their prime factors. If we prime factorize the cube of any number, when we square any number, then 4 के हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 2. when we cube this number, then we can write 2 into 2. हमें 2 कितनी बार लिखना पड़ेगा, या तो आप लिखिए 4 टाइम 4 into 4 into 4, and 4 is not a prime number, then you can write 4 को आपको क्या लिखना है, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Okay, understand? So you have write 6 times 2. Okay, understand? Now what about 6 cube? 6 cube we can write 6 को हम कैसे, क्या कौन कौन से प्राइम फैक्टर्स में लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 3. Okay, and 6 cube means 2 into 2 into, every 6 को आपको ऐसा लिख लेना है. How many time 2 here, 3 means 2 cube into 3 cube. Okay, understand? So you can write this type of prime factorization. Okay, cube of any number. Okay, understand? Now if you want to cube of finding the cube of 216, then you can use these prime factorization method, and here you can pair 3 numbers. Okay, हमने स्क्वायर में कितने कितने नंबर लिए थे बच्चों, 2 नंबर्स लिए थे. Okay, pair of 2 numbers, but here we can get pair of 3 numbers. Okay, understand? Factor can be grouped in tripled. And do you remember that a to the power m into b to the power m, that is a into b to the power m. Okay, understand? So this is the main things we can learn in cube number. Okay, and some more patterns in cube and some more things. So first जो हमने अभी देखा था यहाँ पर कि हम कोई भी 2 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स को ऐड करके हम क्यूब नंबर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंडिंग दीज नंबर? एन क्यूब अगर हमें फाइंड करना है, देन सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट एन कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम. अब हम स्टार्ट कहाँ से करेंगे? अगर यहाँ तो चलो हमें छोटे छोटे नंबर है, 5 है तो 5 तक के हमें छोड़ देना है, मीन्स हमें 19 फर्स्ट 5 छोड़ देना है, मतलब 1 3 5 7 9 एंड 11. ओके, हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे उस नंबर का क्यूब फाइंड करने के लिए? तो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है n इंटू n माइनस 1 प्लस 1, n इंटू n माइनस 1 प्लस 1. आप इस टाइप से ऑड नंबर ले सकते हैं. यू कैन take this type. Okay, if you want to find 10th, आपको 10 का स्क्वायर फाइंड करना है, तो आप कहाँ से फाइंड करेंगे? तो आप लिखेंगे n इज इक्वल टू 10, डेट इज 10 इंटू 10 माइनस 1 प्लस 1. 10 minus 1 that is 9. 90 plus 1, so you can get 91. 91 के बाद आपको 10 नंबर्स लेने हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन गेट 91 स्क्वायर, 91 प्लस 93, 95, 97, 99, कितने हुए? 4, 5, देन 101, 103, 105, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 107, 109. When you add these numbers, you can get 1000. 10 cube is 1000. Okay, understand? So this way you have find the cube of any number. Okay, student, understand? Now let's see the example. You have to find is 243 is a perfect cube. So हमें क्या करना है? 243 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालना है. अगर वो 3 के पेयर में ट्रिपलेट में मिलते हैं देन इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट ट्रिपलेट, देखो आपने इफ़ यू राइट 243 इन द प्राइम फैक्टर्स 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 3 इंटू 3, सो आपको 2 3 जो हैं वो एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहे हैं, तो आपके पास में ये क्या है? परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सो दिस टाइप we can find the perfect cube number. So today's your homework is example number 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to done example number 2, 3, 4 and 5 in your book. Okay, understand? Have a good day.